this Saturday we'll be having our 2025 Annual Congress of Delegates. It's a feature that we have every year in terms of our constitution. This year we are having the Congress under the theme Effective Worker Representation in an Era of Transition, Organizational Principles and Strategies for the National Workers Union. We're having our open session very early in the morning, followed by our closed session. And based on the theme, our open session will be addressed by our feature speaker, development economist Mr. Osbert Dovey, and it will also feature some remarks from the Minister for Labor, the Honorable Dr. Virginia Albert Poyot. And in the closed session, we will be doing our constitutional formalities in terms of our reports, our resolutions, presentation of statements, etc., and then charting the way forward. So it's like I said, it's a constitutional provision that we are in keeping with in terms of the Congress of Delegates, and then we will be looking for our central committee who will govern the affairs. We will be electing, I should say, our central committee who will be governing our affairs for the next 12-month period.
How important is that for the General National Workers Union, especially in this time?
Well, it's extremely important because, you know, as per our theme, we are in an era of global transition. You know, even in our local economic landscape, you know, there's a lot of change, there's a lot of transformation, transition, etc. And with all what is happening in and around us, we have to be in a position to respond. We have to be adequately prepared. We have to be able to, you know, in this dynamic environment, to continue to be able to provide effective representation at the various levels. So with this Congress and coming with the theme that we are looking at, we're trying to ensure that we are well positioned and well poised to be able to respond to the changing needs and the changing demands that are coming from all the various sectors. The financial sector is going through change, the manufacturing, the commercial sectors, that all of the sectors that we are representing workers in, they are going through transitions and so forth. And you know, we as an institution have to be, like I said, prepared. We have to be ready. We have to be well oiled to be able to continue providing that representation. So we were looking to this particular Congress to see what sort of priorities and strategies that we would be able to take on board to be able to navigate the next 5, 6, 7, 10 years down the road.
So remember, who are you inviting to this? Members, is it structural?
Well, yeah, all of the branches will be sending delegates to the Congress, and we will be hosting it at our headquarters in SOUCI on this coming Saturday.